Greetings, I am here on the behalf of Bulldog News, and today I will be interviewing the drone team of Dr. Joaquin Garcia High School.
So I believe the drone team started by when Chief asked me last year after the robotics season if I wanted to start or participate in a drone team where we would fly drones around and we could go to competitions. It would be pretty easy for us to win as not a lot of schools were starting to do it. So I was like, sure, I'll take it on, and I think this is a challenge that I would have liked a lot because of the career I want to pursue later in life.
Another fun fact about our drone team is that they will be traveling to Georgia, yes, Georgia, to compete in the competition.
So what sparked my interest in the drone team was that, so my stepdad has a lot of drones around the house, and he pretty often lets me fly a few of them, like around the house and around the park. So when I figured out that JROTC had a drone team, and it had one of my friends in them, I really wanted to join because I found flying those drones fun. And I wanted to learn how to do it a little more and, maybe meet a few new people in there.
Most importantly, I just wanted a challenge. Starting a program from scratch, I figured would be really interesting. And it's worked out pretty good because we got great cadets that are involved, you know what I mean? And they seem like they're having fun. So that's what this ROTC is really all about.
This was Antonio Santiago, reporter for the Bulldog News, signing off.